Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve another interesting geometric problem. In this question, we are given an obtuse triangle, ABC, with a square inscribed in it, as shown in the figure. AE is given as 6 units. EC is given as 4 units. And angle ACB is given as 45 degrees. Our goal is to find the area of the square. Before we proceed, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me and enables me to create more content. Thank you. Also, feel free to pause the video and give it a try, and tell us your answer in the comments section. To solve this problem, first, let the side length of the square be x. Next, let's join EB with a straight line. Observe that EB is the diagonal of the square. Therefore, this angle is equal to 45 degrees. And the reason is because each interior angle of a square is 90 degrees. Next, let's focus on triangle EFB. Triangle EFB is a right triangle. From Pythagoras' theorem, EB squared is equal to EF squared plus FB squared. EF is equal to x. And FB is equal to x. Substituting these values in the above expression will give us EB squared is equal to x squared plus x squared. X squared plus x squared is equal to 2x squared. So EB squared is equal to 2x squared. Taking the square root of both sides will give us EB is equal to x root 2. Next, let's focus on triangle AEF. Triangle AEF is also a right triangle. From Pythagoras' theorem, AE squared is equal to AF squared plus FE squared. AE is equal to 6. And FE is equal to x. Substituting these values in the above expression will give us 6 squared is equal to AF squared plus x squared. Rearranging this will give us AF squared is equal to 6 squared minus x squared. 6 squared is 36. Therefore, AF squared is equal to 36 minus x squared. Taking the square root of both sides will give us AF is equal to the square root of 36 minus x squared. Next, let's call this angle alpha. Observe that alpha is common angle to triangle ABE and triangle ACB. Again, observe that in triangle ABE, angle ABE is 45 degrees. Likewise in triangle ACB, angle ACB is 45 degrees. So, by angle-angle criteria, we conclude that triangle ABE is similar to triangle ACB. And the proportionality of their corresponding sides is AE over AB is equal to AB over AC. AE is equal to 6. AB is equal to the square root of 36 minus x squared, plus x. And AC is equal to 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. Substituting these values in the above expression will give us 6 over the square root of 36 minus x squared plus x is equal to the square root of 36 minus x squared plus x over 10. By cross multiplication, we will have 6 times 10 is equal to the square root of 36 minus x squared plus x all squared. 6 times 10 is 60. Simplifying the right side will give us 36 minus x squared plus 2x into the square root of 36 minus x squared plus x squared. Negative x squared and x squared will cancel out. And we are left with 60 is equal to 36 plus 2x into the square root of 36 minus x squared. Rearranging this will give us 60 minus 36 is equal to 2x into the square root of 36 minus x squared. 60 minus 36 is 24. So, we have 24 is equal to 2x into the square root of 36 minus x squared. Dividing through by 2. 2 will cancel out 2. And 24 divided by 2 is 12. And we are left with 12 is equal to x into the square root of 36 minus x squared. Next, let's take the square of both sides. Doing so will give us 144 is equal to x squared into 36 minus x squared. If we expand the bracket on the right side, we will have 144 is equal to 36x squared minus x power 4. Rearranging this will give us x power 4 minus 36x squared plus 144 is equal to 0. And this is a biquadratic equation. To solve this equation, first, we are going to transform the biquadratic equation into a quadratic equation. To do so, let's take y to be x squared. And the quadratic equation will be y squared minus 36y plus 144 is equal to 0. This equation cannot be factorized. So, we are going to solve the equation using the quadratic formula method. To do so, let's recall that in a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a Comparing these two equations, observe that a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 36, and c is equal to 144. If we plug in these values in the above formula, we will have y is equal to minus negative 36 plus or minus the square root of negative 36 squared minus 4 times 1 times 144 all over 2 times 1. Simplifying this will give us 36 plus or minus the square root of 1296 minus 576 all over 2. 1296 minus 576 is equal to 720. So, y is equal to 36 plus or minus the square root of 720 all over 2. The square root of 720 is approximately 26.83. So, we are left with 36 plus or minus 26.83 all over 2. To find the positive root, y is equal to 36 plus 26.83 all over 2. 36 plus 26.83 is 62.83. And 62.83 divided by 2 is approximately 31.42. To find the negative root, y is equal to 36 minus 26.83 all over 2. 36 minus 26.83 is 9.17. And 9.17 divided by 2 is approximately 4.59. Therefore, y is equal to 31.42 or 4.59. Now, let's recall that we substitute x squared with y. It follows that x squared is equal to 31.42 or 4.59. So, if x squared is equal to 31.42, taking the square root of both sides will give us x is equal to 5.6. And if x squared is equal to 4.59, taking the square root of both sides will give us x is equal to 2.14. Since we have two possible values for x, we need to determine which one is correct. We do this by substituting each value into triangle AEF, and calculating the value of alpha. If we put x is equal to 5.6 in triangle AEF, from trigonometric ratios, alpha is equal to sine inverse of 5.6 over 6. Sine inverse of 5.6 over 6 is approximately 68.96 degrees. Therefore, alpha is approximately 68.96 degrees. And if we put x is equal to 2.14 in triangle AEF, from trigonometric ratios, alpha is equal to sine inverse of 2.14 over 6. Sine inverse of 2.14 over 6 is approximately 20.90 degrees. Therefore, alpha is approximately 20.90 degrees. Since triangle ABC is an obtuse angle triangle, and angle ACB is 45 degrees, it follows that alpha is less than 45 degrees. Therefore, the correct value of alpha is 20.90 degrees. And the correct value of x is 2.14. Now, to find the area of the square. Let's recall that the area of a square is the square of its length. So, the area of the given square is equal to 2.14 squared. And 2.14 squared is equal to 4.58. Hence, the area of the square is equal to 4.58 square units. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.